How's the heel pattern on this one?
We need to adjust the midsole spikes here.
Defines every material we select.
This is a perfect match.
Engineered for peak. You have to feel the tension in the leather. Every stitch must be perfectly aligned. Creates the core. Our sonic foam then expands. It delivers perfect cricket cushioning. This is the
must meet our highest standards. The logo placement must be flawless. Only the perfect finish makes the final.
Meticulously placed. Precise stitching defines luxury craftsmanship. This is where quality engineered for absolute comfort, where premium materials meet precision. Meets raw force. Intense heat and steam fuse them forever. Our sonic foam undergoes relentless impact. Witness the macro slow-motion rebound. Redefine. Designed to stand out. Innovation meets style. Step into sportswear testing. Every fiber is pushed to its absolute limit, simulating the most extreme conditions. From the vibrant red leather to the mesh, pushing the limits of color accuracy. This is the future. The logo must align perfectly. Only the finest leather is chosen. The bonding must be seamless, uncompromising. Modern luxury. Every box is sealed to absolute perfection. This is where quality meets scale, redefining the. At the break of day, the operation begins. Premium cargo is mobilized for global distribution. Evolution of style, where peak performance meets absolute luxury. Step into. Is not just about speed. It is about absolute control on the field. Step up and style. Command the field. Step into luxury. Story of precision, where mesh meets meticulously crafted grip. This is confidence. Craftsmanship in every detail. This is the all-new red. Triumph starts with a single speck of grit. It is where the raw will to win, true. Every spike demands absolute precision. Seize the ultimate. To the hands of the world. Every detail is precision managed, seamlessly connecting air. In this state-of-the-art facility, every line is synchronized for peak efficiency. This is where quality. Step into the future of design. Every stitch tells a story of luxury. Elevate.